Echoes of Wisdom, a short course to inspire and guide your life. Welcome to Echoes of Wisdom, a journey that will transform how you see your life. Today, I'm going to share 10 powerful arguments that will change everything you thought you knew about success, about failure, about living with purpose. But here's the hook. What if I told you that the greatest wisdom isn't found in books? It's not found in seminars. It's found in the echoes of your own experiences. The moments you thought meant nothing actually meant everything. Stay with me until the end, because by the time we're done, you'll have a complete roadmap. A roadmap to transform any situation into wisdom, any setback into a comeback, any confusion into clarity. This isn't theory. This is practical wisdom you can use today, right now. Let's begin. In this video, we will discuss some argument, real-life example, command, prohibition, analogy, micro practice, example, life application, life, rise. To help you, Argument 1. Wisdom lives in your failures. Here's the first truth most people never learn. Your failures are not your enemies. They are your greatest teachers. Think about this analogy. A blacksmith doesn't fear the fire. He uses it to forge steel. Your failures are the fire. Your character is the steel. Real-life example 1. Thomas Edison failed over 1,000 times before inventing the light bulb. When asked about his failures, he said something profound. I didn't fail 1,000 times. I found 1,000 ways that don't work. This is wisdom in action. This is how you turn failure into fuel. Command. From today, stop calling them failures. Start calling them lessons. Prohibition. Never waste a failure by not learning from it. Every failure without reflection is a tragedy. Every failure with reflection is a victory. Argument 2. Your perspective is your power. The second argument will shock you. Nothing in your life is inherently good or bad. Your perspective. This is the echo of ancient wisdom, but it's completely practical. Consider this analogy. Two people look at the same rose bush. One sees thorns. One sees roses. The bush hasn't changed. Their perspective has. Small exercise. Right now, think of your bigoted problem. Write it down. Now write 3 ways this problem could actually be helping you. 3 ways it's making you stronger. 3 opportunities it's creating. Do this exercise. Feel the shift in your power. Argument 3. Consistency beats intensity. Here's argument 3. Consistency always defeats intensity. Always. Most people want dramatic transformation. They want the big moment, the breakthrough. But wisdom teaches us something different. Small actions repeated daily create miracles. Think of water carving through rock, not through force, through persistence. Application in life? Want to transform your health? Don't work out for 5 hours once. Work out for 30 minutes every day. Want to? Don't save $1,000 once. Save $10 every day. The compound effect is magical, but only if you're consistent. Command. Choose one small action today. Commit to it for 30 days. Watch your life transform. Argument 4. Embrace the uncomfortable. Argument 4 challenges everything you think about comfort. Your comfort zone is not your friend. It's your prison. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Growth and comfort cannot coexist. Never. This is like trying to build muscle while lying on a couch. Impossible. Real-life example 2. Oprah Winfrey was born into poverty, faced abuse, faced discrimination. She could have stayed comfortable in victimhood. Instead, she embraced the discomfort of growth. Today, She's one of the most influential people alive. Her discomfort became her strength. Prohibition. Never choose comfort over growth. Comfort is slow death. Growth is life. Small exercise. Identify one thing you've been avoiding because it's Schedule it for this week. Do it anyway. Feel your confidence grow. Argument 5. Your words create your reality. The 5th argument is about the power of language. Your words don't just describe your reality, they create it. Every word you speak is a seed. Every thought you think is a prayer. Choose them wisely. This analogy will help you understand. Your mind is like soil. Your words are like seeds. Plant positive seeds, harvest positive results. Plant negative seeds, harvest negative results. It's that simple. Command. For the next 7 days, eliminate these phrases. I can't. It's impossible. I'm not good enough. Replace them with, I'm learning how. I'll find a way. I'm growing stronger. Watch your reality shift. Argument 6. Gratitude is the ultimate game changer. Argument 6 will transform how you see everything. Gratitude is not just a nice feeling. It's a superpower. Here's why. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's missing to what's. From problems to possibilities. From lack to abundance. Think of it like switching on a light in a dark room. The room was always there. You just couldn't see it. Application in life. Start every morning with 3 gratitudes. Not big things, small things. Your morning coffee. A text from a friend. The fact that you woke up. This simple practice rewires your brain for happiness, for success, for peace. Argument 7. Master your mornings. Master your life. The 7th argument is about the power of beginnings. How you start your day determines how you live your life. Most people wake up and immediately check their phones. They let the world set their agenda. This is like letting strangers drive your car. Dangerous. Command. Create a morning routine that serves you, not the world. 15 minutes minimum. Include gratitude. Include movement. Include intention setting. Prohibition. Never start your day in reactive mode. Always start in creative mode. You are not a passenger in your life. You are the driver. Act like it. Argument 8. Your environment shapes you. Argument 8 is about the invisible force that shapes your destiny. Your environment. Most people underestimate this completely. You become who you spend time with. You become what you consume. You become where you spend your time. This isn't opinion. This is fact. Think of a plant. Put it in rich soil with sunlight, it thrives. Put it in poor soil without light, it dies. You are that plant. Choose your environment carefully. Small exercise. List the 5 people you spend most time with. Are they lifting you up or pulling you down? Are they growing or staying stagnant? Your future depends on this answer. Command. Spend more time with people who inspire you. Less time with people who drain you. Your life will change automatically. Argument 9. Failure is feedback, not final. The 9th argument changes everything about how you see setbacks. Failure is not the opposite of success. Failure is part of success. Every successful person has failed more than unsuccessful people have tried. This is the echo of wisdom most people never hear. Consider this analogy. A GPS doesn't get upset when you take a wrong turn. It simply recalculates. It finds a new route. You need to be like that GPS. Rise of life example. Michael Jordan was cut from his high school basketball team. He used that failure as fuel. He practiced harder. He became the greatest basketball player of all time. His failure became his foundation. Fall of life example. Many people face the same failures Michael Jordan faced, but they quit. They let failure define them instead of refine them. The difference? Perspective, persistence, purpose. Prohibition. Never let temporary failure become permanent defeat. Every failure is temporary if you keep moving. Argument 10. Your legacy starts today. The final argument is the most important. Your legacy is not what you leave behind when you die. Your legacy is what you create while you live. Every day, every choice, every action. You're writing your story right now. Not tomorrow, not next week, right now. This moment is your canvas, your opportunity, your responsibility. Command. Ask yourself this question every morning. What kind of legacy am I creating today? Then act accordingly. Application in life. Small acts of kindness create legacy. Helping others creates legacy. Being honest creates legacy. Working hard creates legacy. Loving deeply creates legacy. You don't need to be famous to create legacy. You just need to be intentional. What we learned from this video. Let's recap the 10 echoes of wisdom. First, your failures are your teachers. Second, your perspective is your power. Third, consistency beats intensity. Fourth, embrace the uncomfortable. Fifth, your words create your reality. Sixth, gratitude is the ultimate game changer. Seventh, master your mornings, master your life. Eighth, your environment shapes you. Ninth, failure is feedback, not final. 10th, your legacy starts today. These aren't just ideas, these are tools. Use them, apply them, live them. Your life will never be the same. Here's the truth I want you to remember. Wisdom isn't about knowing everything. Wisdom is about applying what you know. The echoes of wisdom are all around you, in your experiences, in your challenges, in your victories, in your setbacks. Listen to those echoes. Learn from them. Let them guide you. Your future self is counting on the decisions you make today, the actions you take today, the wisdom you apply today. Don't let that future self down. You have everything you need. You always have. The question isn't whether you can change your life. The question is, will you? Start today. Start now. Your extraordinary life is waiting. Thank you for joining me on this journey of wisdom. Remember to subscribe for more life-changing content and share this video with someone who needs to hear these echoes of wisdom. Until next time, keep growing, keep learning, keep becoming the person you're meant to be. The echoes of wisdom are calling. Are you listening? Thank you for spending these few minutes with us today. We hope something here touched your heart and reminded you of your own strength. Now we want to hear from you. Drop a comment below. What part spoke to you the most? How will you carry it into your life? Your voice matters. And when you share, you inspire more than you know. If this video gave you value, please like, subscribe, and pass it on to someone who might need this message today. Your support means the world to us. It helps us keep creating content that uplifts, encourages, and empowers. Until next time, stay inspired, stay growing, and never stop believing in your dream. Thank you.